In this screencast, I'll be demonstrating Aperture to Picasa Web Albums, the latest Aperture plugin from Ubermind. This plugin offers Aperture users a streamlined method to upload their images to Picasa without requiring the use of a separate program. Beginning in Aperture, I'll select some photos that I'd like to upload. Now I'll go to the File menu and select Export Picasa Web Albums. Here I am presented with the primary interface of our plugin, and since I haven't entered my Picasa account information yet, a sheet drops down asking me to enter my Picasa username and password. After I enter those, I'll click Sign In. The plugin communicates with Picasa to validate my account information, and then loads all of my available albums. After these have loaded, I can see how much space I am using, and I can see each album, including its cover image. Below each album, I can see its name and the number of photos that already exist. I can also tell if an album is public or unlisted based on the color of this icon in the bottom right of each album. For this demonstration, I'd like to create a new album, so I'll click here to do that. This will drop down the new album sheet, where I can enter the title and description I want for my album. I can also select the type of access I'd like to grant for this album. I'll go with public and click OK. With my new album created and selected, I'm ready to choose the quality and naming conventions I'd like for my images. After making these choices, I'm ready to export my images. I'll click Export and Aperture will begin preparing my images according to my settings. When this step is complete, the images begin uploading to Picasa Web Albums. The upload progress advances as my image data is sent to Picasa. When the upload is finished, the sheet closes and a web browser opens showing the images I have just uploaded, complete with their metadata and keyword tags. Now you've seen how simple it is to upload images using the Aperture to Picasa Web Albums export plugin from Ubermind.